Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add LUTs in CapCut, so let's get into it. As you can see, I have already opened CapCut on my PC screen. Let's click on Create Project to proceed. Here we are in the CapCut video editor. To add LUTs, we need a video. So I will go to the Media section and click on Import. Select the footage from your PC and click on Open. Once the footage is imported into the Media section, select and drag it onto the track at the bottom of the screen. First, let's have a preview. Now, to add LUTs to the video, let's go to the top menu and open the Adjustment tab. From the left vertical menu, open LUTs. If you don't have a LUT, you need to download it. You can visit this site to download it. Once you are done, let's go back to CapCut again and click on Import. Open the download destination, select the file, and click on Open. Once the LUT is imported, select and drag it onto a new track. Adjust its length by stretching from a side. Once you are done, let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can add LUTs in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.